Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel after a long time. Friends, today's video is for those students who have to attend the MA English exam part 1 that will be conducted by University of Sargodha in 2021. In this video, I'll share a few most important short questions and their answers from paper 1 classical poetry. Please watch complete video for best result in exam. So don't waste the time, let's start. Paper 1 classical poetry. Question number 1. Define humor. Give illustration. Answer is: humor is a literary device which makes people laugh or intends to make them laugh. Its main purpose is to make a reader relax or break tension. Chaucer is a humorist. For example, wife of Bath's headdress, weight of 10 pounds is somewhat a humorous statement. Such exaggerated statements makes people laugh. Question number 2. What is a sonnet? Give examples. A sonnet is a 14-line lyrical poem in which a poet expresses his emotions for someone or something. Examples: When I have fears by Keats, shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Question number 3. Define blank verse. Give an example. The answer is: blank verse is that kind of verse which is composed of unrhymed monostitches and usually follow the iambic pentameter rhythmic pattern with 10 syllables in each line. Example: daylight changes and it is time to take. Question number 4 is: what is meant by alliteration? And the answer is: repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of words is known as alliteration. Question number 5. What is ballad? Give an example. Answer is: a ballad is a story in verse arranged in quatrains narrated through a common person and noted by a highly skilled person is known as ballad. Example: The Rime of Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge. Question number 6. What is the aim of Paradise Lost? And the answer is: the aim of Paradise Lost is to justify the first disobedience of man, which was provoked by Satan to Adam and Eve and which deprived them of paradise. Question number 7. Why is Spenser called the poet's poet? Spenser is called poet's poet because of his innovation of Spenserian stanza, which is used by many eminent poets including John Keats and P.B. Shelley. Question number 8. Mention 3 modes of love according to John Donne. And the answer is: the 3 moods of love in Donne's poetry are cynical love, anti-woman, conjugal love, married life, and platonic love, spiritual. Question number 9. How much importance did Belinda attach to her lap dog? And the answer is: not available. Question number 10. Why were pilgrims going to Canterbury? Answer is: pilgrims were going to Canterbury as a religious journey to the shrine of Saint Thomas Becket in order to stay thanks for their successful trade of life even in the presence of pestilence. What is classicism? Classicism is an implication of ancient Greek and Roman mythology and style of art in an author's work. What is epic? An epic is a long narrative poem depicting heroic deeds of warriors and ancient gods in a vast battlefield, which is entire universe in some cases composed in grand style to illustrate the epic deeds of an epic hero. Define simile. A comparison of two objects by using words like or as. By using words like or as, but these two words have different use cases. Use of like. This simile is used when a person or a thing is as a whole compared with other person or thing. For example, Ali is like his brother. And the second is as. This simile is used when a specific quality of a person or a thing is compared with other person or a thing. For example, Amjad is as honest as his brother. Question 4. What is heroic couplet? Heroic couplet is a collection of two iambic pentameter monostretches which end on rhyming word. Heroic couplet are largely used by Chaucer and Shakespearean sonnets and in heroic couplet. Who is called poet's pet? Edmund Spenser is called poet's pet. Who is called champion metaphysical poetry? John Donne is called champion of metaphysical poetry. What is the importance of Hampton Court? In Rape of the Lock, the poet has asserted the fact that Hampton Court was an important place for state affairs were discussed under Queen Anne taking tea. To which class does square represented? Although square represents the chivalric class, yet he stands for its decline, for he is indulged in playing and composing musical notes, unlike his father, Sir Knight, who is proficient in his techniques of warfare, who takes part in battles for religion and country, and Squire hardly takes part in battle for his beloved. Explain, O cherub, to be weak is miserable. Answer is, Satan provokes his fallen angels to give an aftershock of the defeat God forbids, inflicted by the sole Emperor of heaven and paradise. He says to his companions that being weak and just laying is boring hell will not avenge their defeat. They have to do something. What does night red cross symbolize? Red cross night symbolizes for the virtue, holiness and Anglican church. Define allegory. An allegory is a literary work which conveys a hidden moral, social, situational and historical idea through living characters. What is cynical love? Cynicism is a scornful attitude toward persons, ideas or things. So the cynical love is the avengeful temptation of a person to his beloved to form illicit and materialistic relationship. Define satire. Satire is a literary device which is utilized to expose the follies of mankind through exaggeration, burlesque, humor, irony, and ridicule. The main purpose of satire is to reform the human race. Define oxymoron. Two opposite words coined together side by side to give it a distinctive and dramatic makeover form oxymoron. Name the three ideal characters in the prologue. There are three characters portrayed as ideal in the prologue, and these are Sir Knight, Clerk of Oxford, and Parson. What does the dwarf symbolize? Dwarf, who is seen carrying the luggage of Lady Yuna and articles of warfare of Red Cross Knight, symbolizes humility of he serves under truth and holiness. If humility does not follow the two, it will be denounced to hypocrisy. Define the term metaphysical. Metaphysical is a philosophical term utilized to literature to elaborate things which are beyond existence in physical world. This conception was mostly used in poetry in 17th century. Define irony. Typically humorous in nature, expression of one's meanings by using the language which normally signifies the opposite is known as irony. Why does Shakespeare compare his beloved to a summer's day? Answer is Shakespeare compares his beloved to a summer's day as she is as gentle as the sunshine, is as temperate as the summers in United Kingdom, and as beautiful as the green fields that yield in summer. What is the plan of Canterbury Tales? It was planned that every pilgrim would have to narrate 2 stories while heading towards Canterbury, and 2 more stories on their way back home. The one who told most interesting tale would be awarded with a dainty meal by the host. Define allegory. Already defined. Why was Knight Redcross accompanying Yuna? Redcross Knight was accompanying Yuna as her parents' territory was confiscated by an evil and formidable dragon. To free the land of Yuna's parents from the tyrant clutches of dragon. Who is Archimago? Archimago was an evil magician in the guise of an old man who played monstrous tricks to demoralize Redcross Knight and to separate Yuna from the gentle knight. Define wit. Wit is a literary device which is implied to make readers laugh. It falls back upon pun, conceit, paradox, and metaphors, to outwardly praise but inwardly mocking of an idea, person, or object. What is sensuous love? Sensuous love is that kind of love which is celebrated physically and sexually. It is also known as physical love. Why did Satan tempt? Satan tempted Eve to eat forbidden fruit of knowledge to complete his revenge of being sent to the deep hell for disobeying God. Write the rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet. The rhyme scheme of a Shakespearean sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, and GG. So friends, these were the most important questions for your paper, and if you learn thoroughly these questions, I can give you guarantee to succeed in your paper section of short questions. And if you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends of English, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.